So guys, I close the curtain. So as you can see, the cloth is like somehow really thin. So it helps the projector to like act as a hologram or something. So we have our video projector here. So I set it in a way that it actually projects like the video on the curtain with a little bit offset just to make it more realistic. So before we start, I just want to explain a little bit. So as you can see, the projector projects the video on the curtain, and because we're gonna use videos with black background, so it actually make it in a way that it's more look like hologram from outside. So the target is people outside can see there is a ghost running like around in our home. Okay guys, as you can see, we have the hologram here, and hopefully it will be exactly like this from outside. So I use the Google Chromecast to stream the video on my video projector. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it looked like from outside.